Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Comfort. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to claim Bitcoin every 60 minutes. Every 60 minutes, you're claiming this Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you how to accumulate more of this Bitcoin by showing you the codes, the right codes to use. This code will be generating you more Bitcoin every 60 minutes. That's in a minute. With the aid of this code, you can be able to claim can be able to roll like 20 bits as in 20 times Bitcoin a day. Okay, with the code I'm going to drop on this Telegram channel, you'll be earning more Bitcoin. So for you to get this code, you will need to go to the description box there, and you will see my Telegram channel. Do want to join my Telegram channel because I'll be dropping the code there. I'm not going to drop it on my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping the codes there. So by the time you join my Telegram channel, you'll be getting the code from me. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, do want to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions regarding this video, go to the comment section and drop your question, and I'll do all my best to answer all the questions. So let's get into this video. So guys, this is free Bitcoin. This is free Bitcoin. Guys, this is real Bitcoin. You will earn real Bitcoin just by clicking on row, and there are so many methods in which you can earn from this side. There are so many ways to earn from this side. So I'm going to run down all the steps for you. I'm going to give you all the steps and the codes, the right codes to use in order to claim this Bitcoin. So guys, let's go down. I'm going to scroll down here and show you where to claim this Bitcoin. Every 60 minutes, you have to come back and click on this roll button. You can see the roll button highlighted blue. All you got to do is just to come back every 60 minutes, then you click on roll button, and you'll be credited with Bitcoin. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on row and see that the time is counting. Okay, you just need to verify your capture. This capture verifies if you're a robot or not. Just go ahead and then verify. I'm just going to go ahead and then click on this robotic verification. Just click on it and then click on it. Okay, so guys, you can see I've been credited. You can see the earnings here. I've been credited with 0.0003 Bitcoin. So guys, I still have one more to roll. So I'm going to show you how to use this promo code. I'm going to show you how to use this promo code. Okay, by the time you click on it, you will see a space where they say promo code, and all you got to do is just to insert the code there and then click on row. Then you click on row. If the code is 2 times row, some of the codes is 2 times, you can roll it 3. It can gives you 3 times row, can give you 1 time row. So it depends on the code. Okay, so if you happen to fall on this lucky number, we also have a lucky number here. If you happen to fall from 0 to 9, you'll be earning 0.006 Bitcoin. If you happen to fall in between here, or you can even earn $300 in Bitcoin if you happen to fall between 10,000 to if you happen to fall between this 10,000. You can see all the lucky numbers here and the amount you get, you win. Okay, these are the lucky numbers. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use this promo code. Like I said, when you join my Telegram channel, that's where I'll be posting the code. I'll be posting the code every day, and you're going to use the code on a daily basis to claim your Bitcoin. So stick to the end of this video so that you will not miss out on any of the steps I'm going to run down. So guys, there's a code somewhere. I'm going to go back to where I save the code, and then I'm going to use it. This code is being used every 26 hours. You make use of this code every 26 hours, and this code is going to last for 1 month before it will expire. So all you get to do is just to copy the code. I'm just going to copy this code one after the other. Copy this code and then paste it on where I have promo code. So just watch what I'm going to do now. So I've copied my code. I'm just going to go back to the web page, and then I'm going to click on paste. Just going to go ahead and click on paste. Then by the time I paste the code, they say please enter your promo code. I've clicked on paste. I'm just going to click on go. Click on go. Let's see how many time codes I'm going to have this time. So let's scroll down and check. You can see I've been credited. You can roll one more time. So one more time code have been added to my previous code. So let's go back to free Bitcoin and check how many code I have left. Okay, you can see you can roll. I have two more times to roll. I have two more times to roll. So guys, this is just how to do how to use the code. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I have like 10 codes, 11 codes here to use. So I'm just going to go back and copy the next code. Go back to my web page. Go to where you have promo code, and then all you got to do here is just drop the code. Press the code and click on go. So guys, I'm just showing you how to make use of this promo code. How to make use of this code. I've been given another code. So now we have 3 times row. We have 3 times row. So I'm going to go back and click on my free Bitcoin. Let's see if it's not. You can see that the rows is okay. Now I now have 3 times 3 more rows to click. Okay, to row. So let's go back again and click on this code. So guys, to get this code, you will need to join my Telegram channel, because that's where I'll be posting the code. I'll still go back here and copy this other code, and then I'll go back and paste it. Remember that this code is being used on a daily basis. Use this code on a daily basis. So I'll paste it and then just go back and click on go. Okay, so guys, this is what I said. You can see you can roll 2 more times. I've been given this particular code is 2 times roll, so I've been given 2 more times to roll. I'm just going to go back and check how many codes I have altogether. So now we have total of 5 more times to roll. 5 more times to roll. So I'm going to just go ahead and repeat all the whole process. I'm going to copy the other ones, then go back to where you have promo code, and then paste the code, then click on go. So guys, with this method, with this promo code, you can be able to gather to accumulate more Bitcoin. You can be able to accumulate more Bitcoin. Okay, so let's go back and check. I'll be having a total of 6 rows now. I'll be having a total of 6 rows. I'm going to make use of all the code before I will start clicking on this row. So let's go back and pick another code. Then I'm just going to go back and repeat the same thing. Click on paste, then click on go. Let's see how many times row this code is going to give me. I have 1 more times row. Okay, let's check the total number of codes now. Let's just have to scroll down. Okay, now I have 7 more times to roll. So guys, for those of you that doesn't know how to roll this, how to use the codes, because I've been dropping this code on my Telegram channel, and most of you that doesn't watch the video have been asking what is the code used for. So the code is used to claim more Bitcoin. You can use it to claim more Bitcoin or more Shiba Inu. Okay, you use this code to claim more Bitcoin. Okay, so all you got to do is just to copy the code I'll be dropping on the Telegram channel. Go to where you have your promo code and paste it. Remember, I'll be dropping this code on a daily basis, and for only those that are on my Telegram channel that will be getting the update. So do well to join my Telegram channel to grab the code. So guys, I'm just going to go back and then copy the rest of the codes, and then repeat the same process again. Okay, now I have one more. They are giving me one more for this particular code. Let's go back and check how many codes I have altogether, and I still have more. I have 8 more times to roll. Okay guys, let's just make use of all the codes. So guys, as you can see what I'm carrying out here, I just decided to mute for some time, then make use of all the code. Okay, I've been given another row, so let's go check how many rows we have altogether now before we can start clicking to check how many Bitcoin I'm going to have altogether. I have 10 more rows. So guys, you can, without this code, you can only claim one time. Okay, you can only claim once in every 60 minutes, one in an hour. But with the help of this code, you can claim 20 times Bitcoin in a day. So you can see how this promo code works. So I'm going to go back again and make use of all my promo code. So to get this code, join the Telegram channel. Okay, some of this code can give you 2 times roll. This one is you can roll one more times, so it has been added to my order, to my balance. Let me go check. I'm just going to check, scroll down. I have 11 more times to roll. Okay, so let's go back and click on make use of all the whole codes here. Okay, I've been given another code, been given another row. You can roll one more time, then I have one more code left before I will start rolling. So I'll just need to go back. So guys, I'll be dropping this code on my Telegram channel, just like I said, and you can make use of this opportunity and start accumulating Bitcoin, real Bitcoin, and withdraw it to your Trust wallet. And if you don't have any wallet for this, go to Trust wallet and download a wallet and then use it to withdraw your crypto. So guys, that is just all for today, and I'll be bringing more codes. I'll be bringing more codes every day. So do well to join the Telegram channel to get the promo codes. So now I'm just going to go back and start rolling the code and see how many Bitcoin I'll be given. Now I have 13 rows to play here. I have 13 rows to roll. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this row one after the other. Let's start it. So guys, look, all you got to do now is just to click on row and make use of this your of this 13 times they have been given to row. Just go ahead and then click on row till you exhaust it. I'm just going to go ahead and click on row. You can see I've been given 0.003 Bitcoin. So I'm just going to repeat the whole process. Let's go check our balance. You can see my balance here. This is the balance of my Bitcoin. This is the balance of my Bitcoin I've accumulated already. So I'm just going to go ahead and make use of the 13 times rolls that I've been given. So all I have to do again is just to repeat the same process till this place turns to 0, and I know that I've exhausted my code for the day, and I'll come back again in the next 26 hours and then repeat the same process again. I'm going to bring back I'm going to repeat the process again, and after 26 hours, the code you can make use of, you can repeat the codes again, and you'll be given 13 times roll. So guys, after rolling out this 13 times roll, you still need to come back again and roll the 1 hour, that's a 60-minute roll each day. Okay, so let's just go ahead and then roll this. Just going to go ahead and click it, click more. The advert will be showing. Just close the advert and then just have to click more. Click again till you exhaust everything. I have 8 times left. Just gonna go ahead and click more. I've been credited, it's been added to my balance. Just need to close the advert. Any advert that appears, just close it, then click again. I have 5 left. You close the advert As I'm clicking here, my Bitcoin is being added to my balance, so I'm just going to go ahead and check my balance. You can see my balance is being added to my balance here. So I'm just going to go ahead and then click. You just have to make use of this promo code so for you to be able to accumulate more and get to the threshold. I have 2 more left. I have 1 more left, and then I have exhausted my promo code for the day. So guys, I have exhausted my promo code for the day, and I will wait in another 26 hours for me to repeat the same code again. You can see that my timer has started counting. So all I have to do now is to come back in the next 26 hours and then repeat the same code again. So guys, I'm going to drop this code on my Telegram channel. That's where you'll be getting the code. So do well to join the Telegram channel to get the code. Okay, so now this is my balance. You can see this is my balance. I'm just going to go ahead and click on withdraw. Let's see if we can be able to withdraw this. You see the minimum to withdraw this is just 0.02 Bitcoin. And then if you have Trust Wallet, you copy the address on your Trust Wallet, and then you paste it here. You paste your Trust Wallet here. You want to withdraw all, you click on withdraw all. Then it puts in your amount, put in the amount of Bitcoin to withdraw. You have to put in the amount. But once you click on withdraw all, you don't need to put that again. Then you go to Bitcoin address. Go to your Trust Wallet, copy the Bitcoin address on your Trust Wallet, click on the settings. When you click on settings, it will ask you to paste your address, view or edit. Okay, to ask you to paste your address, to ask for your address here. You put in your Bitcoin address. Okay, forget about this email. This is not the email. Okay, just go to your Trust Wallet, copy your Bitcoin address, and then paste it here. Then create a password, a withdrawal password for it, and that is just all. You have changed your wallet. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to my free Bitcoin. So guys, now that I've exhausted my promo codes, now it will start reading again. All you got to do now is to come back after 1 hour, and then claim it again. That's it, just all guys. That is all. So this is a simple way to claim Bitcoin at the comfort of your zone, just with your smartphone and with your internet connection. Guys, you don't need to invest any money on this. Don't invest any dime on this. This is totally free. So if you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any question, go to the comment section and drop your question. And do well to share this video. Do well to share this video with your friends. Share this video on social media. Share this video. Okay, so guys, I'm going to stop here today. And remember, I said if you have any question regarding this video, go to the comment section and drop your question. And do well to subscribe to this channel to get updated whenever I post a new video. Then hit on the notification bell to get updated as well, to get updated whenever I drop a new video. And also I'll be dropping an update on my Telegram channel. So if you join the Telegram channel, you'll be getting more updates on this and on any video I posted. And if you have any question, you can interact with me on my Telegram channel. So guys, I'm going to stop here today, and I'll come back again with another interesting video. Until then, remain blessed. I love you guys, and bye bye.